Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. A couple things I want to say today. First of all, thank everybody for subscribing to my channel and taking your time to watch my videos. I know they're not the greatest of videos. I'm still new at everything I'm doing, including the flying and the reviews. If there's something that you see or want to see, drop it in the comments below this video and let me know what you're thinking. And I'll try to do what I can. Just on a small note, I recently it changed over, and if you started watching my videos, it was called Dogs FPV. That was an old gamer name that my channel started on, and I kind of got rid of that and I went to Crazy D's FPV. So I hope you guys like the name of the new channel. That's where it's going to stay at. It's Crazy D's. The reason I chose Crazy D's is you got to be about half crazy to get into FPV, and I don't mean that in a bad way. It is one of the most addictive hobbies I think I've been into, and then those of you who are into it already, and those of you getting into it, you're going to understand what I'm saying. So you got to be about half crazy. This is an addiction that it's a fun addiction. That's all I can say, and it's been a great ride so far. It's cost me a little bit of money doing so, and like I said, I definitely appreciate all you guys supporting me. And I want to get better at FPV. I want to get better at making videos for you and reviews and kind of letting you know what's out there and my thoughts on it. And my thoughts are just, they're my own thoughts. I'm not getting paid by anybody to make these videos. I do it because I like doing it. And I want to share with the people that may have not seen the products, is thinking about it, that maybe I can give you some insight of my own personal views and help you out with maybe to purchase or not to purchase something. And that's my goal here. And I just enjoy the hobby a lot. I like working on them. I like buying them. I like flying them. And I like making videos. So here we are, Crazy D's FPV. And thank you everybody for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. But if you guys like these videos, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And stay tuned for some more videos and hopefully better ones for more to come. But let's talk about what I'm going to talk about today. I ordered this from Get FPV, and I kind of got a budget drone. I've got a little bit of money wrapped up in my other ones, so I wanted to get better at flying FPV and doing more tricks and changing my rates around a little bit. So I ordered this Tmotor FT5 5-inch 4S, and the reason I ordered 4S and didn't go with 6S, it's not because I don't like 6S. I do. Batteries are very expensive. If I smash a battery, it costs me a lot more. This drone is, I consider it a budget drone for a 5-inch Freestyle. It's $199. This is a plug and play from Get FPV, and we're going to take this thing out of the box and kind of show you what we got in here. Okay, now we got the box open. First thing you're going to get in the box right here, you're going to get one set of the T5143 Tmotor props. They give you only one set of them. They could have gave you a couple, but you get your instruction booklet, of course, diagram of the drone or quad, whatever you want to call it, all your parts list and screws and things like that. You're going to get your prop nuts. You'll get a set of prop nuts for it. You'll get a battery strap. And we'll go ahead and get the quad itself out. As I said, this is a plug and play quad. You have to put your own receiver in it. And let's throw this box out of the way back here. Okay, right here she is, guys. It's not a bad looking quad for a Freestyle. And it's definitely, if I want to change it and put in a DJI Air unit, I believe this is perfect size for that as well. It comes with the motors of they're 2306 2400 kV motors. They're hollow shaft motors. Pretty smooth motors on them actually, for a budget type quad. It comes with the TPUs for your Tmotor antennas. It also comes with the Rush Cherry antenna inside of it, the VTX on it, they put a Rush Ultimate VTX in them. It's a 25 milliwatt to 800 milliwatt VTX in it. It's not a bad VTX. The ESCs in it, it's a 45 amp ESCs. They're 32-bit up to a 6S. The flight stack in it's a Tmotor's F4 flight controller, and the camera up front, they put a Caddx Ratel in it, which is not bad. I've actually had this out of the box, and I did do a flight in it before I showed it to you guys. I want to know what it was like before I'd say anything at all about it, whether it be good or bad. And it actually flew pretty good. I did put the crossfire in it, and what's really nice about this, whether or not you can see this, what's really nice is you take out these two screws, and that's all you have to do, and it gets you right in there to the boards to do everything you need to do. You don't have to disassemble all the plates to get there, and I do kind of like that. That's kind of a nice little deal. And today in the mail, we also got the TPU. I ordered a TPU mount for my GoPro 7 to put on it. So I've got that to put on it yet. It did really, really nice. It handled nice. And I'm going to go ahead and add the video, the actual video clip I'm going to add to this video. You'll see it up in the right corner of it. Just some VTX video of it out there at the local 4-H barn that I go fly at just to practice and play around at. So we'll throw that up in the right corner. All in all, it's not bad for, you know, the money of the quad. Really, it's we'll talk about the frame on this thing for a second here. It has 5mm arms on it. It has 2mm top and bottom plates. Also, it has a 2mm camera plate. It's a 225mm wheelbase on this thing, which works out pretty well for freestyling. It's like a true X, and it freestyles really, really well. It comes with the TPU chin guard and the TPU mounts that you see on the back. You just have to add your own receiver in here, and like I said, I chose Crossfire on it, and that's something I've done recently is went over to Crossfires. The camera spot up front, you can hold a 1.9mm, a 2mm, or up to a 2.2mm camera. And it's compatible with different size VTXs. The stacks, there's 2020s, a 30.5 by 30.5. You can put a different type VTX in it if you like. And all around, it's not a super heavy quad. I believe it weighs 126 grams on the frame, including the printouts and the screws, it says. I don't know what the overall weight of it is. I'd have to find my scales here. They're somewhere. But all in all, for a budget quad, like I said, coming in at $199 from Get FPV, it's not a bad flying quad to go out and learn on and practice on. It's built really well. They do sell the arms and the plates for it. You can buy parts. The motors are really inexpensive. They're about $13 a piece for the motors for the 4S versions. And the VTX they put in, the Rush VTX in it's really, really good. I had no issues, as you'll probably see on the video up in the right corner, off the camera feed, and there was no issues whatsoever. It was very, very clear camera, and I had pretty good range on it when I was out here in the field testing it out. But I'm hoping to get it out, get some better videos, some freestyle videos with it, show you guys what it can do and can't do, and hopefully we don't smash it up too bad. But like I said, I bought it to kind of, if I have an accident trying to learn how to freestyle a little bit better, it's not going to be quite as costly as the Titan XL HD5 or the XL5 HD I got. That's a lot more money when I put that one in the air, and I really truly just don't want to smash that up quite yet. That's pretty much it. We'll wrap it up for the new Tmotor FT5 4S, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Help me out reach that 200 subscriber goal that I'm after. If you think my channel's worthy enough to do it, I'd appreciate it. And you know, I mean, I really appreciate all you guys watching my videos and commenting on them. It means a lot to me. And we're going to get this thing out hopefully this weekend. I'm going to get the GoPro mounted up on it, and we'll take it out and see what kind of freestyling videos I can do with it. And hopefully, like I said, bring it back in one piece is my goal. But if I crunch it, it's not too awful bad for its price compared to everything else I seem to have right now. So that was the whole purpose of buying this, is to kind of cut the budget down just a little bit and get me started in learning better FPV with it. So until next time, thanks for stopping at Crazy D's FPV, and stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button for the new videos coming up. Don't forget the little bell icon up there so you can get, you know, when my videos pop up, and check them out. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Happy flying.